Hi, this is Mike Henriksen from Velocity 2014 in New York. I'm here with Dave Langlais. Dave, how you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. So you're with HP.
Right.
Or you're with the division of HP or a new company, a new spin-off called Pronk?
Well, no. So Pronk is part of HP software.
Okay.
It's a software unit inside of HP. And what Pronk is, it's a new, relatively new, about 9 months, e-commerce platform for people to be able to try HP software and buy HP software. All the products are self-service SaaS products. And it's a new way to engage with HP on our next generation software products.
So is this a store?
Yes.
For your
well,
ecosystem?
it's kind of a try-buy store. So more and more software products from HP software, particularly in the IT operations management space, either in the BSM, the business service management, or the ADM, application lifecycle guys. We're putting more and more of our next generation products, which are built for self-service SaaS, out there, so people can actually, instead of doing the traditional download and install and stuff, they just hook it up, and in 5 minutes they're getting value for a free trial, and then they can decide to buy it.
So it's kind of like an app store?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your most popular app?
Right now, I mean, it's relatively new, so right now, when we say apps, they're kind of big apps, right?
Yeah.
Right now, probably the one that's doing the best out there is Fortify On Demand. That's one of the security products from HP software.
So are you building analytics into the store as well, so you'll know these things and...
Oh yeah, well the Pronk guys, I'm actually with the BSM unit, right? So actually they provide my platform, Pronk provides my store, right? So I put my product out there and they've got all the analytics in back, and so we do a very good job of cradle to grave tracking of as people come into the store and what they're doing, and as they exit or as they go through the trial and then the buy process. So
is Pronk also for HP's ecosystem partners?
Yes, that depends more on the products, but yes, more and more of our products will be able to have that partner level engagement.
So is there sort of an approval process to get in there or something?
Oh, you mean for the partners or for our products?
Yeah.
Well,
for
not for the partners yet. Not
okay.
for the partners yet, but for our products, yeah, we have to do some things in a certain way. Mainly, we got to make it really easy for people to trial it, and then really easy for people to buy it. And I mean, you're actually going to the point where you don't have to interact with a salesperson at all. You actually just put give us your credit card number and stuff like that.
Oh no, so you're automating the salespeople out of the... Oh.
Well, what this enables us to do is, of course, in very large enterprises, very large sales, we'll obviously have to get a salesperson involved because nobody has $2 million on their Amex Black Card. Well, maybe you do.
No, I don't.
But what we're able to do there is it opens up a vast new market to HP software. Because traditionally we sold either through large partners or through direct sales. So you had to have big companies really to afford to do that. Well, now with the stuff on Pronk, with our self-service SaaS products on Pronk, now we can sell to pretty much everybody, right? So now anybody who has doing mobile app development, there's hundreds of thousands of those small companies. Well, now they can get our product and use it just as easily as anybody else can, right? So it really gives us a brand new market opportunity.
So you're kind of separating out the large play into more component and...
Well, a lot of the products, particularly like the products that I'm associated with, the AppPulse products, AppPulse Mobile, AppPulse Active, those are really more and more oriented towards lines of business. Whereas traditionally we sold our products to central IT.
Yep.
But with all the rise of DevOps and all the app support, app ops, all that stuff moving into the line of business, and small teams, that sort of stuff, what we're doing is we're making our products consumable by those guys. And so that enables us to give that to them in a SaaS-based environment where they don't have the big infrastructure for installing, deploying, and upgrading, all that sort of stuff. We make it easy for them.
So this sounds like it's a great play for mid-sized companies
that
may not have large procurement offices and all that.
Absolutely, and or large central IT. You get down to a small enough company, central IT is the line of business, is the developer, is the support guy, right?
That's us.
That's us, right? Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You're kind of one of everything, and so that's where we're designing the products, not only to satisfy the requirements of people at the low end or the medium end, but this thing scales up and it can handle. We're actually talking to customers now. Just today, the guy has 2 to 3 million users of his mobile app, and we can our platform can scale. One interesting thing is that with our mobile platform, Pulse mobile platform, it's built on HP's Vertica. And so it has a big data platform underneath of it.
Yep.
And so it'll scale as much as we want, and now we have the ability of putting in all of our analytics in there to be able to do some very nifty things in the future.
So has this been a good audience for you here?
Yeah, it has. We actually did Velocity Santa Clara.
Oh, you did?
And that was the first Velocity that HP has done.
Okay.
And we are making a very concerted, very deliberate move into the DevOps space, into the line of business space. That's not someplace that HP traditionally did. And so we're moving in there very aggressively, particularly my unit. We're moving in there very, very aggressively.
And your unit isn't Pronk, but Pronk
No,
enables
Pronk. Think of Pronk as the e-commerce store of Macy's, right?
Yeah.
So you have Macy's.com. They're the guys that offer all the stuff on
a technology retailer rather than a clothing retailer or whatever.
Right.
Yeah.
So you have you're familiar with New Relic.
Yeah.
Right. So New Relic sells everything online, right?
Yeah.
So what Pronk does is enable us to do exactly what those guys do, right?
Do you think everyone's going to do this soon? I mean, is IBM going to have a...
IBM,
is that service engaged?
Well, if you look at CompuWare, they actually spun out a company to do that exact same thing that called Ruxit or something like that, right?
Yeah.
So they have CompuWare there and Ruxit there, right?
Yeah.
Well, okay, Ruxit is really CompuWare spun out, right? So yeah, IBM, I'm not sure. I think IBM already has their own SaaS platform. It's not kind of separately labeled, stuff like that.
Service engaged, I think, or something.
Right.
Yeah.
So one of the cool things about Pronk is that with Pronk being kind of different or kind of separate, but still part of HP, we get to do some of the more edgy, innovative type stuff that might take a little bit longer to do if we take it in under the HP brand. And it gives us a way of reinventing ourselves, because these are really new style of applications for us. Brand new UIs, brand new architectures, self-service SaaS, ultimately scalable. It's something that people aren't really...
Team built around DevOps and agile methods?
Oh, absolutely. In fact, our Pulse mobile product, which is going to GA on the 28th of September, we actually rebuilt the software factory. So the software factory, the whole team there now is CI/CD built. And so now this thing will be the velocity of this will be about 2 to 3 months for every big new content push. So it's not like 9 months to the next release. This is going to be every couple of weeks is bug fixes, and then every month or so will be brand new features, brand new capabilities.
Excellent. Dave, we look forward to seeing what you and HP and Pronk do in the future.
Well, I think you'll see us at the next Velocity, that's for sure.
Excellent.
Thanks
you,
a lot.
Thanks.
Appreciate it.